how to download WhatsApp in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same. Now there are few ways by which you can download WhatsApp in your Mac. First is you can simply go to App Store and you can search for WhatsApp. So if I search for WhatsApp and if I press enter, it will show me WhatsApp Messenger application. So I can directly select this download option and it will download the WhatsApp application and it will install it, and then I can start using it. So this is the easiest way, which is via App Store. Now currently if I show you in Launchpad, I don't have WhatsApp application over here. So I'm not going to download through App Store. If you want to, you can just simply go to App Store and look for WhatsApp Messenger. But if in case you are facing any issue or you don't have App Store or anything, any other reason, then the next way is you can simply download WhatsApp through browser. So you can go on any particular browser. In my case, I'm opening Safari, and you can search for WhatsApp for Mac. You will get a download WhatsApp link over here. So you can select that particular link, and then it will show you App Store option over here, which is desktop Mac over here. So you can simply select this option and it will open App Store in your Mac, and it will show you the WhatsApp Messenger application option over here. So you can download it from here. But as I told you, if you're facing any issue related to App Store, you're unable to download WhatsApp through App Store, then in that case, if you're on this particular page, go and select download option over here. So as soon as you select download option, it will ask you some permission. You just have to give the permission, and then you can see it started the downloading. Now once the download is complete, you can go and check your download files over here, right? So you can open Finder, you can go to downloads. Now this is the DMG file which we have just downloaded from browser. So once you go in download section, double tap on the file, and then it will open WhatsApp installer. Now in this particular window, all you have to do is you just have to click and hold this WhatsApp icon, and you have to drag it to application folder and then leave it. Now once you do this, after that installation process will be started, and then it's done. Now once everything is done, all you have to do is close all the tabs and simply go in Launchpad, and over here you can find WhatsApp is installed. Now you can just simply select WhatsApp application, and then you can see it's verifying. So you just have to open it, you have to give the permission, and you're good to go. Now you can see WhatsApp is over here, and simply select get started, and you can scan this QR with your phone so that you can start using WhatsApp on your Mac. So yeah, this is how simple it is to install WhatsApp in your Mac. So either you can go via App Store, or else you can go on a browser and install it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.